HDMP4845. Use a flathead screwdriver to separate hinge pins in the center section of the hinge. Use the pliers to pull the hinge pin away from the center section. Stop when the end of the hinge pin is in line with the outer section of the hinge. Take the screwdriver and pry the bottom section of the hinge from its location. Remove the hinge and slide the new hinge into the hinge location. Press down and the new hinge will snap into place. Use a screwdriver or fingers to push the two hinge pins towards the center of the hinge. Open and close the access door to ensure correct fit. Insert the flathead screwdriver in between the latch and the tab that is holding the latch in place. Push the latch over so it disengages from the tab and the latch will be able to be removed. Remove latch and push new latch in place. Take the new latch and place it in the latch location. Push down on the latch and it will snap into place. Latch replacement is the same for the sidewall and the access door. Push the tab out and the panel clip will release its location. The panel can be lifted out of the base location. Place new panel into the correct base to panel location. Grab a new panel clip. Put the one tab into the panel clip location on the base. Then put the opposite side tab into the panel clip location and the panel clip will snap into the panel clip location. Erect doors to check for proper fit.